You know, you touch on a very important word, which is sugar. Sugar can be, from the chemical point of view, a carbohydrate in general, but in colloquial terms, it's white sugar, what we're talking about. White sugar is not empty calories, it's a poison. It's going to produce a lot of dramatic effects in the body, and no, of course, you will not be fed that type of product in our kitchen. White sugar has to travel in the body, particularly when we eat too much, as we do nowadays. It's going to travel in the body close to some fats and produces a product that's very toxic, that produces chronic inflammation. And that might very well be part of the reason why you develop cancer, why you develop Alzheimer, why you develop all these diseases. In general, I can tell you that the cancer cell is a cell that, metabolically speaking, is a faulty cell. It's not a normal cell. So that we know. What does being abnormal mean? One of the most important things with abnormality in cancer cell is that they are very inefficient to produce energy for themselves. So they use a lot of fuel with poor results. So they have to use more and more and more resources in order to just keep alive. Which means if sugar levels go down, cells are in a very precarious situation because they will not have enough sugar to survive. If this faulty system also has a very important side effect. They produce a lot of lactic acid. So tumors are acidic by definition. So anything that will enhance acidity in the body, anything that will lower sugar levels in the body, all these things, what are they going to do is they're going to damage furthermore the cancer cell. So when you give insulin in this type of therapies, you're depriving the cell from enough sugar on one hand, and also you're making the body more acidic because the body tends to produce more lactic acid when insulin is given. So this is going to also jeopardize the life of the cancer cell, and it's going to be a lot more sensitive to anything that you can give it at that point. So that's one a very important reason why managing the metabolic condition of these cells can give good results. And you're not using any toxic substances at that point. We want to make sure that foods are made from scratch, from natural organic compounds, and that's going to be nourishing, healthy, and detoxifying and anti-inflammatory, because all those things are what Western diet is not. So we have to go back to the food that's going to reduce inflammation, that makes your body healthier, perform better, and function well, and may be conducive to healing.